Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot Honey Sesame Chicken. Here are the ingredients you will need. I would recommend dicing your chicken ahead of time and measuring out all of your ingredients so you don't waste so much time getting everything together. Here is all of your ingredients. You can see that I diced up the chicken ahead of time. You add the sesame oil and the minced garlic to the Instant Pot. Set your Instant Pot to saute for 7 minutes. And when there's approximately 2 minutes left on the saute setting, you're going to want to add your chicken. Being careful not to splash yourself with the oil because it will be hot. After adding the chicken to the Instant Pot, you're going to want to stir your ingredients, making sure it's all combined. Then measure out your honey, 3/4 of a cup. Then you're going to want to measure the ketchup, 1/4 of a cup. It doesn't have to be level, so don't worry about that. Measure out the soy sauce next, 1/2 of a cup. Being careful when you add it to the Instant Pot not to spill, which I have. Oops. Add your honey, getting all of the delicious goodness out of the measuring cup. Yes, it's going to be sticky. Stir it as you go. Add the ketchup. Look at that yummy goodness. Stir, 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 stir. Then you're going to want to measure out your water for the cornstarch mixture using 3 tablespoons of water to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Making sure that the cornstarch is level in your measuring spoon. Stir it really, really well. Stir, stir, stir so there's no lumps. It's going to be difficult, but you can do it. Add the cornstarch mixture to your Instant Pot. Put the lid on. Set your Instant Pot to pressure cook medium heat for 10 minutes. Making sure that the knob is set to seal, not vent. The button will pop up when it's sealed. After 10 minutes, wait 2 or 3 minutes, vent it, and I will show you how I dished it up. Stirring the stuff in the Instant Pot. I made rice ahead of time, so I added the rice to a bowl and then put as much of the sesame chicken in the bowl that I wanted. And then as a garnish, I used toasted sesame seeds. I will show you how to toast sesame seeds in another video. And then there is your honey sesame chicken. Bon appetit!